The Dominique Bantam is a smaller version of the Dominique chicken breed, which has a long and storied history in the United States. The Dominique chicken is believed to be one of the oldest American breeds, with a history dating back to the colonial era. They were a popular choice for homesteads and small farms because they were hardy and easy to raise and produce a good number of eggs. Dominiques are also used for their meat, and they were a good size for a family meal. The Bantam version of the Dominique was developed later as people began to appreciate the smaller size of Bantam chickens. Today, the Dominique Bantam is still relatively rare, but has a dedicated following among chicken enthusiasts. The Bantam variety is about one-third the size of the standard breed and features the same distinctive barred plumage pattern. They have a round body, a single comb, and feathered shanks and toes. The Dominique Bantam is known for being active, alert, and easy to handle, making it a popular choice for backyard flocks and exhibitions. Dominique Bantams are friendly and gentle birds that can get along well with other animals in a backyard setting, including other chickens and even small pets such as rabbits. As with all chicken breeds, it is important to introduce new animals gradually and provide ample space and resources for all to thrive. Dominique Bantams are active and enjoy foraging, so a spacious outdoor area with access to fresh grass and insects will keep them happy and healthy. They are also hardy and adapt to various climates, making them a great choice for a backyard flock. They adapt well to a variety of living conditions and are known for their ability to forage for food. As with all chickens, they require a balanced diet of feed, water, and occasional supplements. Dominique Bantams are good layers of medium-sized brown eggs and typically start laying at around 5 to 6 months old. They are also good brooders and mothers, often hatching and raising their own chicks. It is important to provide them with adequate space, both in their coop and outdoor run, to ensure their health and well-being. They should also be protected from predators and provided with ample shade during hot weather.